What's going on, YouTube? Modeling that back at you with the next build part of the Dragon M2 Halftrack. So got my paint in, and so got things painted up here on the main body. Got the not sure if I had mentioned in the last one, but I've got the headlight guards in place. Also going to be running the armor plate in the up position here on that, so I have those in. We'll kind of go over the different parts that I got painted, stuff like that. But as you can see, one big thing that did get completed here tonight was the actual assembly of the chassis. So kind of zooming in just a tiny bit here. I got the running gear in. I am missing a drive shaft and some other, detail parts and stuff like that, but just kind of wanted to show this. Also to note, there is a couple of areas that are missing some paint, but anytime you're assembling painted items, it's just going to happen. So to be honest, I had seen online that, or one of the comments that I had gotten was that the rear suspension, like this rear entire track assembly, especially the bogies, was a nightmare. If you build it as the as the instruction shows, it is going to be an utter nightmare to try and get together, put it together, get it assembled correctly, and especially with the rubber tracking, to make it actually look correct, it's just going to be a nightmare. So what I did was assemble the tracks. I think I showed that before. Went ahead and finished the completion of the bogie assembly, except for the parts with the wheels. Those I left as separates, as they could easily be put into place after the fact. And so when I actually went to assemble this, I just basically put in this top part and this outer A-arm, or these outer control arms here. Got that into place, secured to the frame itself back here, and then put in the front bogie set and put in the back bogie set. You do that, like I said, after attaching the tracks to the front gear and then the idler here on the rear. It is smooth as silk. It is one of the easiest things to actually assemble. So, again, might have to touch in just a tiny bit of paint, but it's nothing big, and it, like I said, took me all of about, I'd say 2 minutes to get that done here tonight. So if anybody has these and you're just a little concerned about how you're going to go about doing that, that is what I did, and it is stupid simple. And as you can see, she's sitting looking just fine here. Make sure that is lined up the way it should be. That drive shaft, there we go. Drive shaft is just a little out of alignment, but yeah, there we go. Other than that, the other big bit of effort tonight was just getting various parts painted. So have the radiator fan, that's ready to go in. I have the shroud touched up, went ahead and painted one of the air cleaners, got fuel cans, the armor plates here. Also all up here, all of the gun mounts, they're all up here. Got those all done, so that's for the 50, and then I have the two for the 30 millimeters. So those are all ready to go. Also, not usually a big fan of painting on sprues, but went ahead and did it for the doors. So I got the doors painted as well. So that is ready to go on. So a lot of progress here tonight. Just getting stuff painted and things like that. I'm going to get the engine fully assembled, get kind of that lower chassis finished up, and then probably we'll be getting these mated up fairly quickly to start the upper detailing, as well as all of the decaling, weathering, and all of that fun stuff that'll be coming next. So, or here shortly, I should say. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely post them down below. Definitely been enjoying reading those, and again, answering any questions that do come up, or as I mentioned, get the chance to get a little bit of information from somebody else who's built this. So if there's anything that I'm getting ready to start that's really is a problem child, and you just want to give me a heads up, definitely feel free to do that as well. Definitely enjoy just kind of knowing where things might become a little bit more complicated. So yeah, other than that, hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.